your holidays and having fun. Please spend your valuable time for online classes. Today I am here to discuss about the topic major Hinduism religions. Religions. What is religions? What is called religions? It is a structure of beliefs and having different customs and traditions, having faith on God and followed by set of group of people. And in India, people of different cities and states having their own religions and living together and respecting each other religions. Some of the major religions followed in India are Hinduism, Islam, Christians, Sikhism, Buddhism and Jainism. See, total 6 major religions followed in India. Students, once again read with me. Hinduism, Islam, Christians, Sikhism, Buddhism and Jainism. Next. Now our first religion was Hinduism. Hinduism is regarded as one of the oldest traditions in the world and the place of origin is India and the place of worship Hinduism is in temple or it is called as mandir. See, these are all temples and the temples, see, these are Hindu temples. They go to the temple and pray to the God and one of these major temples in India are Padmanabha Swami temple and Kali Mata temple, Lord Vishnu temple, etc. Next one. Religions book of Hindus are Bhagavad Gita, Vedas, Upanishads and Puranas. And these 4 books was written in the language of Sanskrit. See students, now we are seeing this one is Bhagavad Gita and Vedas, Upanishads and there was another book Puranas. And the epics of ancient histories was described in the book of Ramayana and Mahabharata. Ramayana and Mahabharata. Okay, so please remember the books, holy books of Hinduism. Bhagavad Gita, Vedas, Upanishads and Puranas and these books was written in the language of Sanskrit. Okay. And next religion was Islam and Islam was followed in India total 14.2% among 100% of people, whereas Hinduism was followed 79.8%, means approximately 80% of people followed Hinduism religion in India. And Islam, the place of origin Islam is Saudi Arabia. See, the place of origin Islam religion is Saudi Arabia. And next, they worship only one God. The name of God is Allah. And Allah, the name of God is Allah. And the word of Allah was taken from the Arabic language. And the place of worship Islamic religion was mosque or masjid. And this is the biggest masjid in India called as Jamma Masjid. See here, Jamma Masjid in New Delhi. They will ask recently questions about the biggest masjid in India. What is it? That is Jamma Masjid in New Delhi. And next, the largest masjid in the world was Masjid Al-Haram in Saudi Arabia. Okay students, and this is the largest masjid in the world, Allah Haram in Saudi Arabia. Next. Next, the religious book of Islam means the holy book of Islam is Quran, and the Quran book was written in the language of Arabic. And the founder of Islam was Prophet Muhammad. Okay, he was the founder of Islam, and he teaches about the what is Islam, what will be there in Quran book, and he is the mediator between God and people. Next, Christianism. In India, total 2.3% people will follow the Christianism among 100% of people. Place of origin is Jerusalem, and place of worship is church. And in this religion, they worship only one God, name is Jesus Christ. And they believe that Jesus Christ was sent by the God to save the world from the evil. And biggest church in India is Basilica of Bom Jesus in Goa. It is called as Saint Perista Basilica of Bom Jesus in Goa. And religion book of Christianism or holy book of Christianism is Bible. See students, holy book of Christians is Bible. And next, the Bible was written in the language of Hebrew. And the founder of Christianism was Jesus Christ. Next, Sikhism. See, this is what the Sikhism. Place of origin Sikhism was in India is Punjab, and the place of worship is Gurdwara. This is called as Golden Temple, worshipped by Sikhism people. It was in Punjab. Next, the symbol of Sikhism was Kanda. See students, here they were shown symbol of Sikhism. It is called as Kanda, and it was called as Golden Temple is in Amritsar in Punjab state, and place of worship is Gurdwara. Religious book of Sikhism. The holy book of Sikhism is Guru Granth Sahib, and Guru Granth Sahib was written in Gurukim. After that, it was translated into so many languages. And the founder of Sikhism was Guru Nanak. He was the first leader of Sikhism is Guru Nanak, and they was asking some questions. Who is the 10th leader of Sikhism religion? The 10th leader of Sikhism religion is Guru Gobind. Okay students, the first leader of Sikhism was Guru Nanak, and Guru Gobind was the 10th leader for the religion of Sikhism. He always teaches to the people to believe the God, and they believe that nothing will be happen without the permission of God. Next. And fifth religion was Buddhism. The place of origin Buddhism was India. In India was in state of Nepal. Okay. The place of worship is monastery, Buddhist temple, Chaitya, Vihar, etc. Monastery. Do you think what is monastery? Monastery means where in a building monks will be there under one religion, and having both about the Buddhism. In this religion, they sacrifice all things like family, children, and wives, and totally converted to the Buddhism religion. Religion book of Buddhism. The holy book of Buddhism is Tripitaka. See, here shown the holy book of Buddhism, Tripitaka. And next, it was written in so many languages. For example, Chinese, Sanskrit, and Pali. And the founder of Buddhism was Gautam Buddha. Here the photo is shown. This is the photo of Gautam Buddha. And next last religion was Jainism. The place of origin Jainism was in West India, like Bihar, Gujarat, Maharashtra, etc. The place of worship Jainism religion is Jain temple. And the holy book of Jainism is Jain Agamas. And the founder of Jainism is Rishabh Adinath. And he was the first founder of Jainism, Rishabh Adinath. And Mahavir was famous by spreading the Jainism religion throughout of the world. So students, don't get confused. The first leader of Jainism was Rishabh Adinath. And Mahavir, who spreads about the Jainism throughout of the world, and he built so many temples about the Jainism religion. And next, in Jainism religion, he teaches that if we do good things, we will face good consequences. If we do bad things, we will face bad consequences. It will teach us a total about the spirituality of the soul. Thank you, students. There was a questions about what I said topic, major religions in India. See, first question, what are the 6 major religions of India? You can answer easily by watching the video thoroughly. Thank you.